they feel accepted. If more men, bilang lalaki, we need to be practical. Eto attracting women is very hard. Kung maghihintay ka, it's a waste of time. You don't need to wait. Pero when it comes to attraction, ano yung sinasabi ko? Two things we cannot negotiate. Hey, what's up guys? It's you boy, Suplado Moto. Okay, for today's vlog, let's talk about ang nag-message sa atin. So, ang problema niya is meron daw siyang nililigawan. 2 beses daw sila lumabas. At tingin naman daw niya, gusto siya nung babae. However, sinabi sa kanya nung babae is kailangan muna daw niya makatapos, sabi ng kanyang magulang. Kumaga, sabi nung babae, susundin muna niya yung sabi nung parents niya. So Brad, ganito yan. Ewan ko natatandaan niyo yung sinabi ko na women will break rules for the man that they like, and women will make more rules for the man that they don't like. So translation ng kwento mo is hindi ka niya ganon kagusto. Lumabas kayo, oo, pero it doesn't mean that's enough to say na pwede mo na siyang maging girlfriend. Okay, given na nag-aaral siya at sinabi ng parents niya na magtapos muna siya ng pag-aaral bago siya mag-boyfriend. Una-una, hindi sasama sa iyo ang isang babae kung may rules na ganon. Gets mo? So, ibig sabihin, in some point, you is simulating her emotions. Diba? Kasi nga, women don't know what they want. Most of the fucking time, 99% of the time, they don't know what they want. Especially sa mga lalaki. Even the food that they want to eat, hindi nila alam. Kaya nga, tayong lalaki, tayo magdidesisyon kung itutuloy pa ba natin yung panliligaw natin or hindi. Pero when it comes to attraction, ano yung sinasabi ko? Two things we cannot negotiate. Genuine desire and of course, her feelings or yung love na tinatawag. Bro, kung hindi ka nakapag-create ng attraction or merong attraction pero hindi mo siya na-frame sa gusto mo, ibig sabihin, wala talaga. Okay? Or maybe, bitin. Kumbaga sa 3 points, kapos or sablay, hindi pumasok. So, ano ibig sabihin doon? So bro, ibig sabihin pagbutihan mo pa or dapat may mga gawin ka pang bagay para ma-stimulate mo yung emotions niya. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano yung situation yung dalawa. Lagi ba kayo magkausap? Or nagkakasama ba kayo madalas sa school ba yan? Or maybe schoolmate? Or maybe other school? Hindi ko alam eh. Ang kwento mo lang is nag-date na kayo 2 beses. So kung 2 beses pa lang kayo nagkita, then I think it's not enough for women na pa-stimulate mo yung emotions niya. Kasi ang babae talaga, hindi naman ganun kadali kaagad, alam mo yun, pumayag. Unless talagang mataas yung attraction niya sa'yo. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, women will break rules for the man that they like. Di ba? Pero kung may rules na kaagad siya sa'yo at hindi mo siya na-frame, then alam mo na yung sagot sa tanong mo. She's attracted but not enough. Yung sa 2 dates na yun, maybe she's just bored. What? Maybe yung araw na yun, well, try ko nga to si Guy. Baka may something. Diba? However, kung ganun pa rin ang reason niya na she still need to follow what her parents wants for her, then ibig sabihin, bokya. I'm not saying you need to close your door or sabi mo nga, tutuloy ko pa ba? Yung mga ganyang bagay, ikaw na makakasagot yan kasi depende yan sa pag-uusap nyo at pagsasama nyo. Pero I don't want you to play safe. For me, hindi ko natutuloy. Or I would rather put her as an options since yun ang nakikita ko. She wants you to be her options and she wants to practice yung kumilala pa ng ibang lalaki. And that's the truth, bro. Sinasabi nila yon na hindi pa sila ready or ayaw pa nila because they don't find you attractive. Nakagaya ng hinahanap nila sa isang lalaki. Or maybe you are attractive but not enough to be in a relationship with you or to continue na magkita kayo. So, kung ako sa'yo, mag-approach pa ako ng ibang
How dare you?
diba? Kasi kung maghihintay ka, it's a waste of time. You don't need to wait. Sa 2 months, sa 3 months, maraming pwede mangyari. And yung, attracting women is very hard. How much more maintaining it, yung attraction sa kanya. Hindi mo mare-retain ang pagtingin ng isang babae kung hindi siya yung nag-chase sa'yo or naghahabol sa'yo. What? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung ako lang bilang lalaki, we need to be practical. Ayoko masayang yung oras mo at sabihin sa'yo, bro, okay lang yan, hintayin mo, support kita. Hindi ako ganun. We're living in reality, bro. Hindi pwede na papayagan natin yung na mangyari na ma-take advantage ka. I'm not saying na iti-take advantage ka niya. What I'm trying to say here is, ayoko lang masayang yung oras mo. And there's no such thing as, yeah, meron love story maybe, pero at the end of the day, women will choose the guy that they like. And also, the guy na nakikita nilang may potential. So para sa'yo, I don't think na nakikita ka niya na may potential kasi pinaghihintay ka niya. Or di man niya sinabi sa'yo na maghintay ka, pero ang nakikita ko dyan is you are willing to wait because of what she said. Pero ang totoo nun is, sorry hindi talaga ako ganun ka-attracted sa'yo, pero I tried. Lumabas ako, kasama ka, and okay naman ako sa mga message mo, pero hindi pa rin It's not enough to be in a relationship with you or para baliin ko yung sinabi sa akin ng magulang ko or i-break ko yung rules ng magulang ko. So ibig sabihin bro, she just wants you to be there as part of may options, di ba? And also the attention na binibigay mo sa kanya. Women want attention from men. Tandaan mo yan, that's their gas. Diyan sila nakakahinga. They feel valid, they feel accepted if more men trying to give attention with them. Ulitin ko, they feel valid, accepted if maraming lalaki na nagbibigay ng atensyon sa kanila. And they feel pretty and beautiful every time men approaching them.
How dare you!
So ayun bro, sana may natutunan ka sa sinabi ko. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and please share all of our videos to your friends na tingin nyo kailangan nilang mapanood. Okay? So yun lang guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. And bye-bye.